EduCryptocation again today. Today I'm going to go over how to create a Binance account. I know there's a lot of you trying to buy SafeMoon and different tokens like that right now, and really Binance regular is the only exchange you can do it at the moment. This isn't the US version, this is just the regular Binance exchange. On a computer or Mac, you go to Binance.com. Again, it's not the US version. If you are in the US and you want to use Binance, the regular version, what you have to do is you have to download a VPN, okay? You gotta have the VPN in order to have the regular Binance version to use it in the US. After you go to Binance.com or download the mobile app on your phone, you're gonna hit register. Okay. Also, at the end of the video, in the comment section, I am gonna have a referral link, so you can use a referral link. Gives you extra rewards and also helps me support the channel, so I can get more of this content out there for you guys. So you're gonna go to register. You're gonna put in your account. So this would be your email. Okay. So you put in your email. I'll just say, whatever. Test account at gmail.com. Okay, then you create a password, minimum of 8 characters. Okay, after you create a password, it'll probably tell you that you got to check your email, that they sent a confirmation to your email, and confirm that it's your email. Anyways, you create a password, and then right here where it says referral ID, that's where you're gonna copy down in the comment section below this video the Binance referral ID. You copy and paste that here, and that'll give you rewards. For every person that I refer, you get 5% off top, and then also it helps me build my channel. So yeah, take the referral link down below in the Binance referral link, copy and paste that here, and then you just hit register. After you hit register, you're now registered for the regular Binance exchange, and that's how you do that. At the end of this video, there'll be a link to a video on how to do a Cash App transfer, to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and transfer it to any exchange. In the video, I did it transferred to Bybit, but you can transfer it to Binance. It's the same exact procedure. Doing it through Cash App is a lot cheaper than trying to buy cryptocurrency on the exchanges, like with your debit card and stuff like that. It's a lot easier to do it through Cash App and send it over. So, like I said, the link for that video will be at the end of this video to help you guys learn how to do that. And also, I would also have another video that I'll put at the end in case you haven't made a MetaMask wallet yet. MetaMask is part of the Ethereum blockchain, and MetaMask is used for all kinds of stuff. It's kind of a type of wallet, so that one will be at the end also, the link to that. And that's about it for this video on how to make a Binance account. And I do have a video coming in the near future on how to buy SafeMoon once you have your Binance account. There's a lot of people wanting to know how to buy SafeMoon right now, so stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell if you want to get notified, because I will be making that video in the next day or two, and also plenty of more cryptocation videos for you guys. So please, guys, subscribe to my channel and like, and don't forget at the end to watch the other videos on how to transfer Bitcoin to Binance cheaper, less fees, and then also in the future I'm going to make the SafeMoon video. So thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate it, and have a good day. Thanks. Bye-bye.